In our previous videos, focusing on TOS or Table of Specifications, Number 1 Industrial Arts Part 1 and 2, we're done with plumbing and drafting. Now let's have a drill about carpentry and masonry to cover all the areas in industrial arts. You have 10 seconds to think quickly. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Which type of wood is best suited for fine furniture and wood carving? A. Banuyo. B. Molave. C. Tangle. D. Luan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Molave. Rationalization. Molave is part of the first group of wood, which is known for its fine grain and suitability for high-quality furniture and wood carving. 2. When constructing a ship, which wood would be the most appropriate to use? A. Nara. B. Giho. C. Amugis. D. Dow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Giho. Rationalization. Giho is moderately hard and heavy, making it ideal for building construction and shipbuilding. 3. For which type of construction is tangle most commonly used? A. Furniture making. B. House construction floorings. C. Musical instruments. D. Interior finishing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. House construction floorings. Rationalization. Tangle is part of the third group of wood, which is often used for house construction floorings and furniture. 4. Which tool would you use to measure a piece of wood that needs precise length and angle? A. Tri-square. B. Ruler. C. Sliding T-bevel. D. Folding wooden rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Sliding T-bevel. Rationalization. A sliding T-bevel can be set to any angle, making it suitable for measuring precise lengths and angles. 5. Which finishing material should be applied to eliminate deep cuts and holes in a wood project before staining? A. Shellac. B. Varnish. C. Wood fillers. D. Sandpaper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Wood fillers. Rationalization. Wood fillers are used to smooth out deep cuts and holes before applying stain. 6. What is the main purpose of using a rip saw? A. Cutting across the grain. B. Cutting along the grain. C. Cutting irregular shapes. D. Making fine cuts for wood joints. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Cutting along the grain. Rationalization. A rip saw is designed specifically for cutting wood along the grain. 7. Which method of seasoning wood involves using an oven to quickly dry lumbers? A. Air seasoning. B. Kiln seasoning. C. Natural drying. D. Sun drying. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Kiln seasoning. Rationalization. Kiln seasoning uses an oven to speed up the drying process of wood. 8. For smoothing large top surfaces like desks and tables, which plane would be most appropriate? A. Jack plane. B. Jointer plane. C. Smooth plane. D. Block plane. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Jointer plane. Rationalization. The jointer plane is long and is used to smooth large surfaces like desks and tables. 9. Which clamp is used to hold small pieces of wood and can apply pressure in inaccessible points? A. Bar clamp. B. Hand screw clamp. C. C clamp. D. Miter clamp. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. C clamp. Rationalization. A C-clamp is designed to hold small pieces of wood and apply pressure in hard-to-reach areas. 10. Which wood is considered the hardest among the first group of Philippine lumber? A. Nara. B. Mancano. C. Ipil. D. Yakul. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Mancano. Rationalization. Mancano is known for its extreme hardness among the first group of Philippine lumber. 11. Which saw is best suited for making intricate cuts in thin pieces of wood? A. Rip saw. B. Back saw. C. Coping saw. D. Cross saw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Coping saw. Rationalization. The coping saw is designed for cutting irregular shapes and curves in thin wood. 12. What is the primary use of a dado joint? A. Making frames. B. Reinforcing wood lengths. C. Making copy network. D. Joining pieces at right angles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Making copy network. Rationalization. A dado joint is commonly used for making copy network due to its groove design that receives the edge of another board. 13. When needing to transfer an angle from one piece of lumber to another, which tool would you use? A. Tri-square. B. Marking gauge. C. Sliding T-bevel. D. Scratch awl. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Sliding T-bevel. Rationalization. A sliding T-bevel can be set to any angle and is useful for transferring angles. 14. Which type of sandpaper is waterproof and used for floor sanding? A. Dry sandpaper. B. Wet sandpaper. C. Grit sandpaper. D. Abrasive sandpaper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Wet sandpaper. Rationalization. Wet sandpaper uses waterproof glue and is suitable for floor sanding with water. 15. If you need to test the squareness of one surface to another, which tool should you use? A. Ruler. B. Sliding T-bevel. C. Tri-square. D. Marking gauge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Tri-square. Rationalization. A tri-square is specifically designed to test the squareness of surfaces to each other. 16. Which tool is ideal for marking lines parallel to the edge or end of a piece of wood? A. Dividers. B. Scratch awl. C. Marking gauge. D. Knife. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Marking gauge. Rationalization. A marking gauge is used to mark lines parallel to the edge or end of a piece of wood. 17. What type of paint is most commonly used for finishing wooden projects? A. Latex paint. B. Enamel paint. C. Lacquer paint. D. Varnish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. A. Latex paint. Rationalization. Latex paint is widely used for finishing wooden projects due to its versatility and ease of application. 18. Which classification of saw is used for cutting wood across the grain? A. Rip saw. B. Cross saw. C. Keyhole saw. D. Coping saw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Cross saw. Rationalization. A cross saw is specifically designed for cutting wood across the grain. 19. What is the key characteristic of a miter joint? A. Uses a 90-degree angle. B. Overlaps two pieces of wood. C. Uses a 45-degree angle cut. D. Consists of a groove and tenon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Uses a 45-degree angle cut. Rationalization. A miter joint uses a 45-degree angle cut and is typically used for making frames. 20. Which woodworking machine is used to cut wood into lumber and requires significant training to operate safely? A. Electric planer. B. Wood lathe machine. C. Circular saw. D. Portable electric drill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Circular saw. Rationalization. A circular saw is used for cutting wood into lumber and requires proper training to avoid accidents. 21. For which purpose is a hand screw clamp specifically designed? A. Holding wide pieces like tabletops. B. Applying pressure in hard-to-reach areas. C. Holding flat blocks or irregular shapes. D. Securing mitered corners. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Holding flat blocks or irregular shapes. Rationalization. A hand screw clamp is designed to hold flat blocks or irregular shapes with its wooden jaws. 22. Which type of joint is considered the strongest for fastening pieces of wood together in cabinet making? A. Dado joint. B. Mortise and tenon. C. Rabbet joint. D. Butt joint. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Mortise and tenon. Rationalization. The mortise and tenon joint is the strongest and best for cabinet making due to its reinforcement properties. 23. What is the main characteristic of a spirit stain? A. Derived from natural wood colors. B. Soluble in water. C. Made from alcohol. D. Provides a high gloss finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Made from alcohol. Rationalization. Spirit stains are made from alcohol. 24. What tool is primarily used for smoothing outside curves in woodworking? A. Firmer chisel. B. Spoke shave. C. Paring chisel. D. Auger bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Spoke shave. Rationalization. A spoke shave is designed specifically for smoothing outside curves with its small cutting blade and dual handles. 25. Which chisel is used for heavy and light woodworking? A. Mortise chisel. B. Butt chisel. C. Paring chisel. D. Firmer chisel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. D. Firmer chisel. Rationalization. The firmer chisel is versatile for both heavy and light woodworking tasks. 26. What is the primary use of a mortise chisel? A. Paring fine details. B. Cleaning and shaving out chips. C. Smoothing outside curves. D. Driving nails. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Cleaning and shaving out chips. Rationalization. Mortise chisels are specifically used for cleaning and shaving out chips, especially in mortise joints. 27. Which tool is used for making small holes in wood for screws and nails? A. Hand drill. B. Bradawl. C. Brace. D. Expansive bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Bradawl. Rationalization. A bradawl is designed to make small holes in wood for screws and nails with its tapered blade and wedge point. 28. What is the main purpose of a claw hammer in woodworking? A. Smoothing outside curves. B. Pulling out nails. C. Making mortise joints. D. Cutting fine details. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Pulling out nails. Rationalization. The claw hammer has a claw specifically for pulling out nails in addition to driving them. 29. Which tool is used for holding bits when boring holes in wood? A. Bradawl. B. Hand drill. C. Brace. D. Expansive bit. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Brace. Rationalization. A brace is designed to hold bits securely when boring holes in wood. 30. What type of chisel is used for working in very small spaces? A. Firmer chisel. B. Mortise chisel. C. Paring chisel. D. Butt chisel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Paring chisel. Rationalization. Paring chisels have a long thin blade ideal for fine work in small spaces. 31. What tool consists of a handle and a long tapered blade with a wedge point? A. Brace. B. Bradawl. C. Spoke shave. D. Firmer chisel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Bradawl. Rationalization. A bradawl is characterized by its handle and long tapered blade with a wedge or chisel point. 32. Which type of hammer is made of wood to prevent breaking chisel handles? A. Claw hammer. B. Mallet. C. Sledgehammer. D. Ball peen hammer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Mallet. Rationalization. A mallet is made of wood to prevent damage to chisel handles when struck. 33. What is the primary purpose of a plumb bob in construction? A. To measure horizontal distances. B. To ensure vertical alignment. C. To cut curves in wood. D. To drive nails. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. To ensure vertical alignment. Rationalization. A plumb bob is used to ensure true vertical alignment in construction projects. 34. In the concrete mixing proportion 1, 2, 4, what does the 2 feet represent? A. Cement. B. Sand. C. Gravel. D. Water. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Sand. Rationalization. In the 1, 2, 4 proportion, 2 feet represents the amount of sand used in the mixture. 35. Which class of concrete is used for reinforced concrete works and general concrete work? A. Class A. B. Class A. C. Class B. D. Class C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Class A. Rationalization. Class A concrete is suitable for reinforced concrete works and general concrete tasks. 36. What is the function of the ferrule in a chisel? A. To protect the blade. B. To prevent the handle from splitting. C. To guide the cutting angle. D. To smooth wood surfaces. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. To prevent the handle from splitting. Rationalization. The ferrule is a metal ring that prevents the chisel handle from splitting when the tang is forced in. 87. Which tool is used to establish level marks for laying out foundations? A. Framing square. B. Line level. C. Water and tube level. D. Plumb bob. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Water and tube level. Rationalization. The water and tube level is used to establish level marks for foundations and other horizontal alignments. 38. What is the primary purpose of expansive bits in woodworking? A. To drill small holes. B. To create large diameter holes. C. To drive nails. D. To cut fine details. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. To create large diameter holes. Rationalization. Expansive bits are used to create larger diameter holes in wood, typically more than 2.5 centimeters. 39. What is the correct sequence of steps in constructing a concrete mix manually? A. Measure water, spread sand, add gravel, mix thoroughly. B. Measure sand, spread cement, mix, add water, add gravel, mix thoroughly. C. Spread cement, add gravel, measure sand, add water, mix thoroughly. D. Add water, measure cement, add gravel, spread sand, mix thoroughly. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Measure sand, spread cement, mix, add water, add gravel, mix thoroughly. Rationalization. This sequence ensures the proper combination and thorough mixing of the concrete components. 40. How should a post be centered to the foundation during alignment? A. Using a framing square. B. With a line level. C. By a plumb bob. D. Using a scribing gouge. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. By a plumb bob. Rationalization. A plumb bob ensures the post is vertically aligned and centered to the foundation. 41. Which tool is used to prevent the chisel handle from breaking during heavy work? A. Claw hammer. B. Mallet. C. Firmer chisel. D. Auger bit. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Mallet. Rationalization. A mallet, made of wood, prevents damage to the chisel handle during heavy work. 42. What does the 3:4:5 ratio represent in squaring layout lines? A. Cement mixing proportions. B. A method to ensure right angles. C. Sand to gravel ratio. D. Levels for pouring concrete. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. A method to ensure right angles. Rationalization. The 3:4:5 ratio is a practical method used to ensure right angles when laying out building foundations. 43. Which tool is specifically used for cutting inside curves in woodworking? A. Paring chisel. B. Scribing gouge. C. Spoke shave. D. Butt chisel. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Scribing gouge. Rationalization. Scribing gouges are designed for cutting inside curves with their beveled cutting edge. 44. What is the primary use of Class A concrete? A. Medium strength concrete works. B. Heavy masses with compressive loads. C. Very strong, dense concrete for columns. D. Lean mixture for stability. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Very strong, dense concrete for columns. Rationalization. Class A concrete is used for applications requiring very strong and dense concrete, such as columns. 45. Which tool is used to transport aggregates during concrete mixing? A. Trowel. B. Wheelbarrow. C. Plumb level. D. Mixing platform. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Wheelbarrow. Rationalization. A wheelbarrow is used to transport aggregates like sand and gravel during concrete mixing. 46. What mixture ratio is generally used for plain concrete walls and floors? A. 1, 1.5, 3. B. 1, 2, 4. C. 1, 2.5, 5. D. 1, 3, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. 1, 2.5, 5. 47. You are tasked with constructing a reinforced concrete column that requires very high strength and density. Which class of cement mixture should you use? A. Class A 1, 2, 4. B. Class B 1, 2.5, 5. C. Class C 1, 3, 6. D. Class AA 1, 1.5, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. D. Class AA 1, 1.5, 3. Rationale. Class AA mixture is specified for columns of reinforced concrete buildings and for construction requiring very strong, dense concrete, making it the appropriate choice. 48. While constructing a concrete floor for a medium-sized room, which mixture proportion would be most suitable to ensure sufficient strength without excessive cost? A. Class A 1, 1.5, 3. B. Class A 1, 2, 4. C. Class B 1, 2.5, 5. D. Class C 1, 3, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Class B 1, 2.5, 5. Rationale. Class B mixture is ideal for plain concrete work such as floors, as it offers adequate strength for such purposes without the high cost associated with stronger mixtures. 49. You notice that the mixed concrete needs to be poured within a specific time frame to prevent setting issues. How long do you have to pour the mixed concrete after mixing? A. 15 minutes. B. 30 minutes. C. 1 hour. D. 2 hours. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. 30 minutes. Rationale. Mixed concrete should be poured before the initial setting takes place, which is within 30 minutes after mixing to ensure proper hardening and strength. 50. Which tool is essential for easily moving aggregates to the bottom of the mixing platform during hand mixing? A. Measuring box. B. Spade or square-pointed shovel. C. Water container. D. Wheelbarrow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. B. Spade or square-pointed shovel. Rationale. The spade or square-pointed shovel is specifically mentioned as being useful for easily moving aggregates at the bottom of the mixing platform.